let's talk about how to use Google AI Studio for business. With the help of Google AI Studios, you can brainstorm ideas, plan strategies, and even generate content in minutes. For business related tasks, what you can do is select the Gemini 2.5, whether it be the Pro version or the Flash version. If you want quicker answers, you can select the Flash version. But if you want detailed answers, make sure you select the 2.5 Pro. It handles detailed instructions well and gives high quality results. Now, once you selected your model, you'll need to add in a prompt. Make sure your prompt is detailed and exactly explains what you're trying to generate. This is an example of a prompt so that you can create a similar prompt for yourself. I've written right here, act as a marketing consultant for a small business selling eco-friendly home products. Whatever your business may be, you can change the title of the business and then add in few extra details. For this case, I've added in suggest 5 innovative strategies to boost online sales in the next 3 months. So along with your main idea, you need to add in more constructive ideas to get in better results. When you run this prompt, Google AI Studio will give you a clear list of ideas you can directly apply to your business. You can also try follow-ups like turn these business strategies into a 1-month marketing plan by breaking down into daily tasks. Whatever your task may be for any types of business, make sure to write in a prompt which is supporting as well of the exact things that you're trying to generate. And if you want to set up this for later or share it, you can use the get code option on the top right of the screen to integrate with your tools as well. So that's basically it for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you use Google AI Studio for business. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.